Hi guys, trust you are having a great day. This is the first video I'll be doing in a really long while. I think my last video was sometimes in maybe February or so. I've been really busy since then, and I haven't really had much time to do videos. However, this particular video is should I call it emotional, or it's I'm really happy about it. I'm really excited to be doing this video, and this is why I want to congratulate myself, and yeah, by extension, you could also congratulate me. I really appreciate that. I'm really happy because this trade USDs posted on the Telegram channel is actually my very first 1:100 trade, and I'm really excited about that. Previously, I've taken trades that probably might have almost done that, but I've never actually held it all through. But USDs are actually the actually 1:110%, and I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited. I think I deserve some accolades, right? And that's more or less what really prompted me to do this video. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a breakdown of this video. After that, I'll be doing a little giveaway at the end of this video. So this is it, right? So one of the things I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is actually how to understand the higher time frame perspective, and also using market structure in what you are doing in your trading to make trading much easier for you. So let's delve in. So looking at USDs, I was actually watching it on the weekly time frame, and on the weekly time frame, obviously trend has changed. Structure has been broken right here. That's the downtrend structure has been broken right here. It has been retested, and then this was the first break of structure to confirm that the uptrend had started, and then another break of structure, and then another break of structure. So all things being equal, I was only interested in trading USD to the upside, and until this is broken, or this is broken, before I would then start looking out for overall sales on USD. So everything going on in here, I was more or less looking out for massive buys, and I've actually taken a buy earlier this year. I think maybe in February, that did about 1:20 or thereabout. However, this did 1:110, and this is the breakdown. Okay, so on weekly time frame, I'm looking strictly at the higher time frame. So as at this point, this is the other block I'm actually interested in trading from. This is the other block I'm interested in trading from, and so price already is at that other block. Then switching to the daily time frame now. On the daily time frame, what did I see? I can see that this liquidity point had been taken out, which means that my next POI, my next area of interest where I'm looking to buy, is obviously this bullish order block right here. So simply, actually, this is really very basic stuff. This is really very basic stuff. Why I thought to actually do the breakdown, so you can see how it really did play out in the live market scenario. So after this had been broken down, I was looking out for a buy at this point. So what then happened? So at this point, all I did was I then switched to the 4-hour time frame to see if I'll get a 4-hour break of structure. And guess what? I did actually see it. The first structural break was right here. That was the eye responsible for this low, was taken out, and then several other break of structure in that direction. So after this was taken out, this was the next structure that was broken. So all I then wanted to see was, where is the next point? Where would I be looking to actually buy? So if you understand the concept of discount and premium, you could have just used that to then look out for your discount arrays to actually buy this. And looking at discount, I was able to simply just refine my entry down to this other block on the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, actually I was looking at buying USDZAR from anywhere from this point. So what then happened? Price tagged my entry, and as at this point I started considering where to buy from. So this is where it got interesting. Okay, so what happened was, at this point now, I just switched to the 15 minutes time frame, and then I needed to see a break of structure to confirm the move had started. However, on the 5 minutes time frame now, on the 5 minutes time frame, I did see an entry, which I did take. So on the 5 minutes time frame, I could see this trend line had been broken. And then this structure had been broken. So simply on the 5 minutes time frame, I wanted to buy anywhere below this point, which I did. And as soon as the 15 minutes structure had changed, which was right here, I did break even. So the first trade I took on this actually came back to its break even down into this level. But guess what? While all of that was happening, on the 1 hour time frame, I was still within my limits. I was still within that other block where I was looking to buy. So this first trade actually did its break even, and then price came in here. And soon as price did come in here, obviously this price, price at this point is way lower than price at this point, which meant the risk to reward will have been much better. So knowing that fully well, I simply went on the 5 minutes time frame once again to look for another entry. And I would have actually preferred to show you the entry on 1 minute, but TradingView doesn't allow me. So I guess I'll still have to switch to MT4 to do that. So as at the 5 minutes, on the 5 minutes time frame once again, I needed to see structure change. And more or less, that was what happened right here. Structure changed on 5 minutes to be bullish. However, interestingly, my entry was not on the 5 minutes. It was actually on the 1 minute. And I think TradingView would allow me also use the 3 minutes so I can show you the entry. So I did see a confluence on the 3 minutes time frame, which made a lot of sense, and I did go ahead with this one, and it actually did play out. So I think the break of structure is much more visible on the 3 minutes time frame. So let me switch to MT4 to actually show you the 1 minute. So this is the same trade on the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, I would have gotten in at this point, but because this is USDZAR, it's an exotic, it's quite volatile, and I had already gotten a break even on the first trade. I did not want a break even on the next trade. I wanted to see extra confirmation. So on the 1 minute, there was actually an entry which will have been right here. And I mean, if I did gotten in at this point, the risk to reward will have been much more, but then the risk was much higher. So what I needed to do was wait out for this structure to be broken, which was the structure on 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame. So soon as that happened, all I wanted to do was to buy below this. But unfortunately, I can't remember what happened. I wasn't on my system while all of this was happening. But interestingly, this was, let me delete this. Interestingly, after this had happened and price came back to this, I retested it. I wanted to buy below this to retest this level again. I just needed this to be taken out for a safer entry. If I wasn't just going to buy right here and put my stop loss here, that would have been lesser risk to reward. So basically what I just did was, as soon as price took this out, took out this level right here, I simply went on the 5 minutes and the 3 minutes time frame. So as soon as this was taken out, this other block then became my entry. But I needed a much lesser entry. So on the 3 minutes time frame now, on the 3 minutes time frame, this was my entry, this other block right here. So all I did was I just put a pending order right there, and price took that, making this my stop loss. So this was my where I put my limit order. So price literally just came in to pick me with this candle, and this was my stop loss, and that was it. And I know there are a couple of doubting Thomases who don't believe this trade actually did 1:100. So let me prove it to you. Okay, you can see the screenshots from the Telegram channel. If you are not a member of my Telegram channel, the link is just under this video. Go ahead and click on it. So this was it, right? I used this. So my entry was 14.47035, while stop loss was 14.45834, thereabouts. So that was basically my entry, and the trade did go ahead to span out to be a 1:100 trade. My very first 1:100. So I'm really happy about this. I'm really grateful to God. It's been a milestone, actually. I've been trying to achieve this, I think, since sometime around September last year. And I finally did it. I'm really excited about this. And so for the giveaway, right, I'm going to be giving out the WITTEEfx Forex Academy and the WITTEEfx Crypto Academy at a 50% discount throughout for the remaining days in the month of April. So if you have always been interested in joining the WITTEEfx Academy, either the Forex Academy or the Crypto Academy. Now, one interesting thing about the academies and the fact that if you are a beginner, it will take you through the basics. We cover things as simple as what is Forex, as simple as how to place trades, how to break even. So you are learning everything, the rudiments of Forex in the Forex Academy. And in the Crypto Academy, you are learning how to trade spot, more or less like an investor, from an investor perspective. Personally, I don't believe in more or less day trading crypto. I believe in holding cryptocurrencies for the long haul, and that is what I teach in the Crypto Academy. So if you are interested, 50% discount till the end of April in celebration of my first 1:100 trades. And guys, I'm really excited. I give all glory to God for this, and I definitely hope to actually make much more, to make trades with, to each trade with better, with higher risk to reward. And yeah, this was quite an interesting one. This was the breakdown USD. I actually did not even think it was going to do this much this fast, but then Usdzar is an exotic, and yeah, so it's been a really good ride. It's been a really good ride. So if you're interested, 50% discount on the Academy, Forex and Crypto till the end of April. And also for those interested in joining the WITTEEfx Premium Trade Ideas channel, I actually did not post this one. I guess it was an oversight, but I did post USD MXN on the premium channel, and that also did great. But USD MXN did hit my break even, and I didn't get in. Let me quickly show you that. USDMXN. Right. So USDMXN was actually an interesting one. But after this first move, this second move did hit my break even, and I was not on my PC, so I did not get a re-entry. But that also played out really well. So if you're interested in joining the Premium Trade Ideas channel, the link to join will also be posted from tomorrow. Tomorrow's date is 25th. So from 25th of April, the link to join the premium channel for the month of May will be available. And that's just about $18, probably less than 10,000 naira thereabouts. But then again, if you're interested in joining the academy, 50% discount till the end of April. Go ahead and join that if you're interested. So once again, I'm really grateful to God. I'm really happy about this. Usdzar, my very first 1:100 trade. A trade that could have also given me 1:100 was GBP that I did sell a while back. I think I took myself from somewhere around here. However, I closed out somewhere around here. I'm still learning to actually hold trades for much longer period. Hopefully I can achieve that, and I'll keep getting better at it by God's grace. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. Have a wonderful April. God bless you.